Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is a type of inflammatory bowel disease along with Crohn's disease. In this, there is inflammation and ulcers of colon and rectum. Ulcerative colitis is due to immune system dysfunction. It most commonly occurs in women between ages of 20 and 25 years. Now let us see about the pathology of ulcerative colitis. Cross specimen shows continuous lesions of colon with rectal involvement. There will be friable mucosal pseudopolyps, which are mucosal remnants of previous ulcerations with free hanging mesentery. This picture shows cross specimen of ulcerative colitis with friable mucosal pseudopolyps. Now let us see about the microscopic features of ulcerative colitis. There will be mononuclear inflammatory infiltrate in lamina propria. As you can see in this picture, there is mononuclear inflammatory infiltrate in lamina propria. Other features include crypt abscesses and ulcers with neutrophilic infiltrate in crypt lumen, as you can see in this picture. There may be dysplastic changes in epithelial cells and submucosal fibrosis and glandular atrophy resulting from heel disease. Now let us see about the X-ray findings of ulcerative colitis. Loss of horstations leads to lead pipe appearance, as you can see in this picture. Now let us see about the clinical features of ulcerative colitis. There will be tenesmus, which is urge to defecate with ineffectual straining. There will be chronic diarrhea with blood and mucus. Extraintestinal manifestations include pyoderma gangrenosum, that is painful ulcerating boils, and primary sclerosing cholangitis, which is fibrosing chronic cholestasis that can lead to portal hypertension. Now let us see about the complications of ulcerative colitis. Severe colonic stenosis, toxic megacolon, which is inflammation of mesenteric plexuses leading to gangrene, and increased risk of colorectal adenocarcinoma are the various complications of ulcerative colitis. Now let us see about the treatment of ulcerative colitis. Medical management includes antidiarrheals, sulfasalazine, glucocorticoids, and immunosuppressants. Proctocolectomy with placement of ileostomy is curative. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.